Samsung Galaxy S24 versus iPhone 16 Pro. Front-facing camera, check out the sky. They both overexposing the sky a little bit, but Samsung much greater. Look how wide that is. If I'm out of the frame, it will compensate quite quickly. Ooh. Still, the iPhone has that a little bit better. 4K 30 frames per second. The maximum is 4K 60, but in 4K 60 I cannot switch lenses in the Samsung, unfortunately, from the wide angle to the telephoto, so we keep it in 4K 30. Do you have autofocus in front-facing camera? We do. And why do we need autofocus in front-facing camera? For example, if I want to show you leaf in great details with the iPhone and with a Samsung. Okay, with iPhone is a little bit faster. Vlogging style. Let's continue. Wide angle lens, 0.6 and 0.5 on the iPhone. Which one is wider? Definitely iPhone. Looks that way. Look at the trees. Look at those trees. Alright, let's continue. Let's walk around a little bit. Video stabilization. Vlogging style, if you're on a vlog from those smartphones, from the wide angle lens, this is how it's going to look like. Alright. Do you have autofocus in the wide angle lens? With iPhone, yes. With Samsung, no. And that's the difference. You see the sharpness? Maybe if I show you the leaf, you see the amount of details on the iPhone, or maybe like this, you see? Wow, now that is a huge difference. A huge one. All right, switching to the main lens. And with the main lens, we will have autofocus in both of them. How quick this will be. Okay, we can do it like this. Quick. I think similar. Is it? Yep, very similar. All right, vlogging style. From the main lens with a bokeh effect. And let's continue. Let's continue to telephoto. 3x and 2x on the iPhone, 5x on the iPhone, 5x on the Samsung. You see the difference? We can go all the way to 12x on the Samsung and 15x on the iPhone. Any difference? Maybe if we go a little bit lower with the magnification to 5x, and if you find a subject, sorry if I'm doing this too quickly, subject like, oh, there you go, we can read those signs. Well, we do have a little bit of noise on the Samsung and a little bit less noise on the iPhone. iPhone is definitely sharper. All right. And with this scene, I've accidentally hit HDR on the iPhone, so it is a bit brighter, but colors are still natural and great. Switching to photos and with the maximum magnification, like we can see, Samsung is a bit closer, but a lot of noise. Also with selfies, I prefer Samsung. It's not over sharpening the image. But in the end, I think when you upload those photos to the social media, iPhone will be a bit better. I didn't have too much time with Samsung S24 because I borrowed this device from the beautiful individual. So just a couple of photos. In the end, iPhone is a bit better, but twice more expensive.